Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this topic training, you will learn about how to create an IAM group. An IAM group is a collection of IAM users. We can specify permissions for multiple users using role, which can make it easier to manage the permissions for those users. Let's get started. Log into your AWS account. Click on IAM. On the IAM home page, click on Groups in the left panel and then click on Create New Group. Specify a name, Read Only Users, and then click on Next Step. Search for Read Only Access. Scroll to the bottom and check the checkbox Read Only Access and then click on Next Step. Review the configuration and click on Create Group, which means users belonging to this group will have only read-only access on AWS resources and services. Go back to the IAM homepage and select the group that we just created. Click on Add Users to Group to add our user to this group. Select the user that we created in the previous step, for example Salman, and click on Add Users. This will add our user to the group we created having read-only access.